In this video, I'll share with you how to make great decisions by combining the two parts, the logical, structured and engineering part and the emotional, intuitional part. And by the end of this video, I'll give you my view of being part of a high-level decision forum where we took decisions related to investments of hundreds of millions of euro every year. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female entrepreneurs streamline their businesses so that they can get more time for what really matters. In an interesting study done by the Waterloo and the Michigan University, it was found that when you are asked to make a decision for a friend, you will be really logical, structured. You will evaluate all the pros and cons in a really objective way. Whilst when you're about to make a decision for yourself, you immediately involve all the emotions, all the intuitional, all the feelings part. And that kind of messes up the decision. To make a great decision, first of all, make sure that you're clear on your goal. What is it that you want to achieve by taking this decision? And then gather information that you want, that you need for taking the decision. And don't invent anything new. I mean, you could just do a simple pros and cons or a decision matrix where you list different alternatives and the parameters that you want to evaluate, or a risk assessment, or the SWOT analysis, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So once you have this, you should be able to take the decision, but make sure that you're aware of the fact that often it's better to take a decision today with the limited information that you have than to wait and take it later when you have all the information that you would like to have. You know, great leaders take quick decisions, and very often it's also possible to reevaluate the decision afterwards. Not all decisions are permanent. To take quick decisions without all the information that you would like, you need to look inside. So if it's a decision for your personal life, you look inside and you think about your life and your vision for your life. Will this decision expand you, expand your opportunities, expand your life, or will it shrink you? If it's for your business, if you're running your business together with some other people, then you have a vision, hopefully, for your business, and you look at that. Will this decision lead you in the direction that you want? This is the approach that was used at the decision forum that I was part of for several years, where we took decisions related to investments of hundreds of millions of euro every year. And it started with the facts and the figures presented by the project manager or the marketing expert, where we got all the facts, the SWOTs, the risk assessments, the pros and the cons. Then the forum would have the chance to ask questions. And if the decision maker didn't feel that the chairman of this forum didn't have enough information, he would ask all the experts in the forum. He would ask each of them to give their opinion so that he could kind of construct an own decision matrix in his head. Then in some cases, when the decision was not clear, when it was really hard and everybody in the forum had a different opinion, I would see this decision making, look inside and really take a big sigh and like, oh, okay. And he would take the decision. And then I would know, okay, he's looking at the vision for the company. He is thinking about what this would mean. What this would mean. If it's too early to take the decision, but he would very rarely postpone the decision. He would just go for it. Based on the information that he had, great leaders take quick decisions. Let me know in the comments below how you separate the logical part from the emotional part when you take important decisions in your life. I would love to hear that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do that and enable the notifications so that you get notified every time I release a new video related to how to get more time in your life, how to streamline your business and how to live a happier life overall. Have a wonderful day.